Sweetie, what are you doing outside? Uh-huh. See, we're out here, baby's in there. We're out here, we're decorating the tree out on the patio. Because we have to put the tree out on the patio so the baby doesn't jump it over.
Listen, look at here. Look at this. Listen. What are these? Can you see the balls? Oh, here's a baby place too.
Oh, he like all that stuff. He like to chew it, put it in his mouth.
Wait, so somebody sent this. Who was there? I didn't remember who was.
When you put it on there? Oh, I'm not sure you have to say anything.
Happy Christmas! Happy Christmas! Listen. Happy Christmas with
It's our nice tree.
We're so happy.
Our tree is outside, as you probably know by now. Oh, that's nice. So, Wilson, soon, as in the next few years, you'll be able to do this. We'll bring the tree inside, and you'll be able to trim it yourself. How do you like that?
What's it right? What's a Happy Christmas?
Happy Christmas. Happy second Christmas. But it's not
Right.
Christmas yet.
Yeah,
So-
what's Christmas is coming.
Last time we trimmed the tree, how old was he?
1.
1.
Not
Right.
1 actually. He just born and 2 months something.
Well, we trimmed the tree when my parents were here. Remember?
Yeah.
It was right before they left.
Oh, miss like 1 month, a little bit more.
Because
What was
I think they left on my birthday, actually. So today's my birthday again.
Oh, yes, and day.
Yay! Hey, happy me! Yay!
Yeah, I go.
Oh.
I go. Sorry.
Wilson's so happy he
Sorry,
decided to smash his head into the glass.
Sorry. I go.
So
Okay.
anyway, that's that. So until next Christmas, tree trimming time, we'll see what Wilson looks like then.
Right, Wilson can put on maybe.
I don't know.
Sleeping time.
Good night.